Nigerian bank is going to test your patience. Like, Nigerian bank is going to frustrate you. See, I've never been sad, angry, frustrated like I am right now. Can you guys imagine that I've been trying to create dollar account for the past 2 weeks now? Something that I was told the day I went to apply that is going to only take me 2 days. 2 days has turned to 2 weeks. So I'm going to be sharing my experience. Actually, I'm going to the bank right now. Like, I was asked to come by 10 a.m. and this is just 9:05. So I'm done already. I am about stepping out. If you can check, I am putting on trouser. This is my trouser because I'm actually going there to go and fight. I've told that bank lady, she's no longer replying my message. I'm going there to actually go and exchange a fight with her. Yes, I know that last it will end up smiling and not because I am this kind of soft person. Well, that's by the way. So before we even start going, let me just explain to you guys what happened. And also, if you want to create a dollar account, just try to don't make all these mistakes because I don't know why when it comes to making mistake, it's like they need to give me this crown, this cap, this crown. Like, I don't know. So what happened is that you all know that on my other account, my main channel, I've been monetized. So if you're not following me, then go and follow me. I teach about YouTube growth. So I've been monetized like since last year December. So I've been doing all the procedures, process. Even YouTube had sent my first payment. I wasn't able to cash it out. My January payment, I've not been able to do anything. So finally my AdSense came very, very late. My AdSense pin. Now it's time for me to go and create dollar accounts for me to now fix the rest of the information. And Access Bank has been keeping me pending since 2 weeks because I don't want to use my main bank because of some issues. And aside that, when you get monetized on YouTube, it's much more advisable to use dollar accounts so that you can earn your money normal and full to avoid all this Nigerian stress and banking system. So back to the story. I went there since 2 weeks ago, like last 2 weeks on Monday to make inquiry. They asked me to go and get dollar. I've gone to buy the dollar. I've done everything, and I came back on Tuesday. So as the lady that I went to ask for inquiry was not around, I had to meet another person, and this person, me and her spirit never matched. So she asked me to bring out all my credentials, which I submitted to her, and she told me that 2 days time I should come. Okay, she initially said 3 days time because she was quite busy, and she explained some things which I don't even remember. So me self, I told her how urgent I needed this to, like, I pleaded with her. I was even ready to even pay just to get that account faster because I really need to cash out my YouTube money this February, whether they ever like it or not. Yes, because imagine working, and you've not even seen the money. So I wanted to actually cash it out. Yeah. So I pleaded with her, and she said, "All right, the following day is going to work out." And she agreed and told me to come back 2 days after, which should be on Thursday. Thursday I went there, she was not around. So the lady I asked, that is the main lady I asked, Shola, why didn't you do it with me? This person is coming from a head branch. Blah, blah, blah. Did you collect her number? I said no. This was when this my mistake came out. Like, she was like, why didn't you collect her number? You're supposed to get her number in case of she need any other details from you. And also, should in case you come here and you don't see her, you just go ahead and call her. So I was like, I didn't collect her number. That was how that day went. And from my house to this place, it's very, very far. I spent almost to go and come 3,000 naira from my house to that place. Sometimes it's even more than, because in the afternoon bike people used to charge higher. So I'm not even putting the money. So I went back there on Monday. Same story. I didn't see her. They said, yeah, okay. She just came to drop some files and she went back home. On Tuesday, my husband had to follow me because husband and wife, one have to be hot and one have to be cold. My husband is not all that hot. He's even cooler than me, but in cases like this, he's always hot. So he was one that actually ginger, and they finally, both the manager, they finally gave me her number. I was like, oh, sorry, now. I forgot to take your NIN and I've been trying to get you, but no way. I forgot to take the picture. Something that I handled every single thing. I handed it over to you that day. She said, oh, that she forgot. Maybe she was busy. She be as well. All right, I forwarded it to her immediately because I was with my NI in that moment. So that is how from that Tuesday, Wednesday, no way. And this one was just happening last week. So on Friday, I told her I'm done. Like I need my $100 back because I actually paid $100 to create this account. I was like, I need it. I don't want to do it again. Let me go and open GTB and try GTB out. And you all know that I've done video about this on my main channel. If you watched it, please kindly drop in the comment section. Let me know my OGs in the house. So that is how. Then she said I should calm down. Then they're going to send it because my account had a lot of issues. Yeah, which I actually agree because my BVN was used to create online stuff, but that was done by my husband. So she said the bank was trying to close it down, like story. And this morning I told her I am coming to the bank. It's either we end it or you guys give me my dollar. So I've texted her this morning and she said, all right. So I don't know now. If I reach the atmosphere, I'm going to beat everybody in that bank. Yes, I'm being serious. Like I'm going to fight everybody in that bank. So guys, see my bag I've even caught. See it. See my bag I've caught. Like I'm so tired. I have classes today. I still want to film video that I'm going to post on my main channel, and my brain is already stressed. Last, I'm not going to post on my main channel today. So, guys, enough of the talking. I hope you guys have learned something. Before you, we're going to go and create dollar account, try to get the person's number, follow up. If not, and if you have any links into your BVN, try to get rid of it. Because I wrote like 3 letters. Whew. So I'm set. See, see the way I'm dressed. Somebody that want to go and fight. Black. Yeah. Do I need to go with weapon to go and fight? Because Access Bank is going to hear from me today. So guys, let's go there. So I'm going to be giving you guys feedback, and I prayed to God last night that this whole thing should just end. Let me fill my information and so I just hope every single thing gets rectified today, and I'll sure give you guys feedback when I'm back. Though we're going to be going together. I'm not going with my child because I can't take that his stress. I'll just go alone and hopefully I just pray I get attended to fast. Okay, so let's go there.
So I'm finally leaving the house now. Guys, guess what? There's one good news. So guys, I'm stepping out already. I just got one good news. That is one message on my phone about 22 minutes ago, which I'm going to be dropping on the screen, that my dollar has been sent. At least my fighting today in the bank is going to be limited. Like I'm not going to really fight. I'll just settle something. Yeah, it's my bag. It's actually just for down. Oh god. At least let me just go and rectify my bank app. Yeah, this online access bank app. So once I'm done with that, I think that will be all I'll be doing today. Then I get back home. Yeah, on your shoulder. Are you going? Bus stop. How much? Okay. Guys, I've been at the bank since, and the queue was too much. Like the crowd is too much. I don't know if you guys can actually see it. The crowd is too much and people are inside. Like, so I've spent 2 hours. I'm thinking of either to go home or I don't just know. I just came out to buy some snacks. Not there. I gave me the 2. The deed has been done. Imagine that after wasting my time, I was still asked to come back tomorrow. So just for them to log into my mobile app. Hey God of Elijah. So I'm going home now. You can see this is the access this thing.